Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi, children. I'm sure you like to go to places to see things. You like to go to shops, maybe to get things. You go to places, maybe to get into the train or whatever. Sometimes you like to go to places where there are animals so that you can see something new, something different. So today we are going to go to places to see things, to buy things, or to move from one place to another. Let us take our first picture and see where are we going to. Let's read. I go to the school. Where do you go? You go to the school. Here is your school. I go to the school. Why do you go to school? You need to go to school to study. I go to the school. When do you go to the school? I go in the morning. You go late or early? I go to the school early, on time. I go to the school before the first bell rings. I go to the school to learn. Good. I go to the school to make friends. I go to the school so that I can read and write and listen and speak. I go to the school to become a better child. Good. So you like to go to school. I go to the school. How do you go to the school? I go to the school walking. I go to the school by bus. I go to the school on a bike. I go to the school in a car. Good. Let's look at another picture and see where you are going to. Good. Look at the beautiful place. I'm sure you love to go to the beach. And then you say, Mama, I go to the beach. Why do you go to the beach? I go to the beach to play in the sand, to make sand castles. I go to the beach to sit and have a nice fresh air. I go to the beach to watch the ship pass by. I go to the beach because that's where I meet my friends. I go to the beach and have my snacks over there. So, what do you see at the beach? You see shade, you see water. What do you collect at the beach? I collect shells of different sizes. What game do you play? I make sandcastles. Good. I go to the beach. What do you feel when you go to the beach? I feel happy. I feel so joyful that I can meet my friends. I can have a different snacks there. I can collect shells. I can play with the sand. I can feel the sand. I can play in the water. So I go to the beach. Now, who takes you to the beach? My mommy and dad takes me to the beach. Then, what are the things you can do at the beach? Playing in the water. What else? Watching the shape. Good. I go to the beach to feel happy. I go to the beach to feel refreshed. Good. Let us take a new picture and see where you like to go. Look at the beautiful market. Let's read. I go to the market. I go to the market. With who? I go to the market with my mummy. What do you do at the market? I go to the market with mummy to get vegetables, to get fruits, to get meat, to get fish, to get milk and milk products. So I go to the market, get all the things mummy needs to cook. I go to the market to see the different stalls, fish, vegetables, fruits, milk products. I go to the market to watch the stalls, to watch the fresh vegetable, to look at and buy what we like. I go to the market once a week with my mother. What do you carry when you go to the market? I go to the market. I carry a bag with me to buy the things that mummy needs. Good. What do you feel at the market? I feel happy. Why do you feel happy at the market? Because I see many colorful fruits and vegetables. What else make you happy at the market? What makes me happy at the market is mommy takes me to the milk booth and there she gets me an ice cream. Good. I go to the market with mommy. Good. Now let's look at a new picture and see where you go. What is this? Temple. I go to the temple. I go to the temple. When do you go to the temple? I go to the temple on festival days. I go to the temple on important days. I go to the temple on my birthday. I go to the temple with my mother. What do you take with you when you go to the temple? I go to the temple carrying flowers and fruits. What do you do at the temple? I go to the temple to pray for blessings. What do you see at the temple? I go to the temple and I see God and I pray. What do you feel? I feel happy that I got blessings from the Lord. I go to the temple. Good. Let's take a new picture and see where you go to. I go to the zoo. Look at the beautiful picture of the zoo. We have a lion here, an elephant here, a giraffe here, your dad and you watching the animals through the cage. I go to the zoo. Where is the zoo? The zoo is far away. Is the zoo big or small? I go to the big zoo. Now, who takes you to the zoo? My daddy takes me to the zoo. What do you see at the zoo? I see lots of wild animals. How are they kept? They are kept in huge cages. I go to the zoo to see wild animals. I go to the zoo to look at the wild animal in real form. What do you feel when you go there? I feel very happy. What I see in the picture, I see at the zoo. So I feel very happy. Now, When you go to the zoo, what must you remember? I must remember to read instructions. What do they say? Do not feed animals. Good. I go to the zoo to see different beautiful animals. Good. Let us take a new picture to see where you go to. I go to the park. Look at the lovely picture of the park. I go to the park. Who takes you to the park? My daddy takes me to the park. What do you do at the park? I play different games at the park. I play on the swing, on the sliding board. I play badminton. I play skipping. I play running games. Okay. I go to the park. With whom do you go? I go to the park with my sister. I go to the park with my friends. Where is the park? The park is far away. I go to the park. Is the park big or small? The park is big. Lots of place to run about. What do you see in the park? Lots of play items, lots of trees and plants. I go to the park. Good.